Shrimp and broccoli. It tastes good, it's easy to make, and it's healthy. Let's make it. We're gonna take a half teaspoon of paprika, salt, and pepper, some oil, and then we'll mix our shrimp up. We're gonna mince up 3 garlic cloves and a teaspoon of ginger for later. We're gonna saute our shrimp till it's about 85 to 90% done. Our sauce is going to be cornstarch, chicken stock, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and white pepper. Then we're going to saute our ginger and garlic. Then we're going to add in our broccoli. We're going to add a little bit of water, cover that, and let that steam. Once that's done, maybe 2 minutes, we're going to add back our shrimp. And then we're gonna saute that for a minute. We're gonna make a well to add our sauce. Let that bubble, mix in our shrimp, and there you go. Put it over some rice and in it.